Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the doors and start your Ford Explorer even if your key fob battery is dead. First step is to get emergency key that's located inside of this key fob. So you need to open this key fob by pressing down on this notch. So the best way to do it, place your thumb on the bottom, your finger here, and just try to split it open. And now there you have your emergency key, which you're gonna use to open your door. Then use your emergency key, insert it into the door lock and turn it clockwise. Now your door is unlocked. Once you're inside the vehicle, you will have to open a middle console lid and grab your key fob and place it in the slot that's right there. Just like that. And now you can press your start button. Now your vehicle is started. Thanks for watching this video.